Alright, so continuing on from my maintenance light issue, it seems that it is the throttle position switch on the mag side of the engine, the front side, which is that guy right down there. If I had a pointer, I'd point it to you. So I think what we're going to do is get set up, take this cover off, pop the air box back, because we've got to turn the idle adjustment screw right down to 0, and then we'll change it, reset it, see what happens. Okay. And there should be a clip. Oh yeah. I'll show you that clip. Right back there. So we gotta try and unclip that. Oh yeah. And then that pushes right off. Now the question is, how do I get to the idle adjustment screw with that air box in my way? And I know I can't get that out of the way. And you can just barely see. Let's see if I can light it up. Now, let me get a mirror and just see if they're actually closed. They might be fully closed. They look to me like they're still not 100% closed. So let me see if I can get at that adjustment. Nice easy spot to get to. Could be worse, I guess. There's one. Right. That's all that does. Okay. And clip it. And we'll go get the new one. I think I'm going to put a little dab of Loctite. A little blue Loctite. let's get to that. All right, so I definitely double checked and everything is closed. You can see down there. Just tap the throttle a couple of times to make sure it's hard against the stop. It is. And then you got to put the tether on to wake it up. Okay, finally, vehicle. Now I'm trying to remember. Here it is. Engine's off. Oh, down here. Reset complete. Okay. So PTO is 32 and it's between 23 and 45, and the mag is 46 and that's between 37 and 59. So I guess that's it. So let's get out of this and I'll put everything back together and then we'll give it a test fire. Alright, so now I gotta get it in the water and see what happens. We'll keep you posted. Just as a little add on, the throttle position sensor, 6699 420 866 120 is the part number. I was going to show you this, but then I chewed it all up. And in the manual, gives you all the information for replacement. Remove the air intake as we did, remove the air duct, we did, disconnected the sensor, and then reverse the process. They asked for the 243 Loctite, did that. Reinstall. Although this is called an adjustment, it's not really an adjustment. Anyway, so that has all the steps there. If you're interested, you can pause it, read it. And that's that. Now onto the test drive. All right, here we go. Back in the 55 degree water. Oh, test. Throttle position sensor install. Ooh, that water is cold. Steers all backwards, get all mixed up. There we go. All right, we'll let her warm up. 2800. 3500. 2800 is fine again. That's a weird one. And test take 2. So good. Back again. Take 3. Knock sensor. So I got a battery voltage error, throttle position error. 45. Oh my God. Another one. I guess it's not going to cut me any brakes. Okay, so after numerous in and outs of the water, I changed everything. Checked all the wires for the knock sensor error. I even changed the computer. I had a spare computer, still knock sensor error. So then I thought, well, I'm going to go back to the original knock sensor, or the new one that I had. And last time I had it just hanging like this as a test, and that doesn't work. That actually has to be bolted to the engine. If it's not, you get that knock sensor error. So as soon as I bolted up the new knock sensor to the engine, no more error codes, runs perfect. So if you ever experience that, at least now you'll know what to try. And that's it. This one's done, and on to the next one.